This video, we're going to show how to make line graphs in the line charts in the TI-84 calculator. So after you turn your calculator on, make sure to clear all your lists before we get started. I'm going to go into the stat menu and edit. And we're going to use the class mark, which is the halfway point between these classes. So the average of 5 and 7 is 6. And then 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21 for our class marks. And we're going to use the frequency there, 2, 9, 18, 13, 4, and 1. We're going to go into our stat plot menu by hitting second stat plot. Plots are on, and we're going to make, this is just a scatter plot. We want a line graph like this. And our X's are coming from L1, our Y's are coming from L2. We can choose the different types of marks that we want to see there, and we want to usually zoom 9 so that we can see the whole thing. Let's see what our window is. So starting at 4.5 there, going up to 22.5. And we're basically at 0 on Y, going up to 20, 21, something like that. Let's just make that one 20. 0 to 20. And there it is, like that. And you can copy that if you would like to onto graph paper like this and use a straight edge to connect the dots. This is not quite an ogive. It's pretty close to it. For an ogive, you would take one class width to the left over here and make it go down to 0, and one class width to the right over there and make it go down to 0. But this is the majority of what an ogive would be since we used the class marks there. So let's go back into stat and edit, and let's do problem number 22 now. Halfway between 10 and 14 is 12. 5, 17, 22, 27, and 32. That one. This is 2, 5, 13, 17, 6. Delete that one. And we're going to zoom 9 again, which is zoom stat, and it zooms a window so you can see all the data points in the graph at once. You can see what the automatic settings were for the window, that it went from 10 to 34. Very good. That's what our minimum and our maximum there were. And it used a scale of 2 on the x-axis, and it went from basically 0 to 20 on the y-axis there by ones. So very good. Now let's go ahead and look at number 23. Stat edit. Halfway between 18 and 24 is 21. And then we're going to increase by 7. 28 plus 7 is 35, 42, 49, 56, 63. There we go. And this is going to be 11, 38, 35, 27, 22, 14, and 5. Uh-oh. Try again. 11, 38, 35, 27, 22, 14, and 5. Yeah. We want to zoom 9 again. and we're going from 18 to 66, and our widths here were 7 if I wanted to make them such, and let's go from 0 to 44, 45, something like that. Let's just say 45. There we go, like so. And we've got one more here. Stat edit, and the average of 23 and 27 is 25. And then my width is 5, so 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, and I'm done there. And then 3, 3, 6, 4, 5, 3, 5, 5. And we're going to hit zoom 9 again. And window here, we're going to go from 23 to 62. I don't really care what my width is there. Fives. And let's go from 0 to maybe 8. There we go, something like that. You can go ahead and draw that out for yourself as the line graph for number 24. We'll talk about this time series problem in another video in a little bit. All right, that's it for line graphs with the TI-84 calculator. And we'll do some videos on how to do them in Google Sheets and with StatCrunch as well. Have a good day.